students, today in the series of Stay Home and Stay Safe, we are again on our online class going to discuss class 11th CBSE. The topic is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Servan. Whether we talk about the characters of the lesson, we find there are four characters, important major characters in the lesson. One is Moritz. This is a child of 13 years old, and this child is related to a race of tribal race. Second character is Adam, his cousin. This child is the narrator of the whole lesson. His age is 9 years. Third character is John Barrow. He was a farmer and owner of the beautiful white horse, and his horse was stolen by Moritz. And fourth is Uncle Khosrow. He was the uncle of narrator. He was considered as a crazy man, and he was a man with a short temperament, irritable nature. This was. So actual condition is that this tribe was living on the boundary of a town of Walnut Avenue. Whether we think about this Walnut Avenue, this was situated on the country of Armenia. Now we have to think about highlights of the lesson. We find that Aaron's recall of an experience. What was the recall? Recall means to remember of the past. Actual position is that this person, John Barrow, was having a beautiful white horse, and his horse was stolen by Moritz. This stealing was nothing on the purpose of selling the horse, but the main purpose of Moritz was because he had a hobby of horse riding. And after stealing this horse, he kept it hidden at a very secret place in the deserted vineyard of a farmer. This house was kept. 1 month of horse riding, when Moritz became very expert, he one day at 4 a.m. came to Aaron's room. At the window he knocked and asked Aaron to come with him for horse riding. Aaron at once went with him, and this experience was taken by both of them. First they both rode together on the horseback, and after that Aaron just demanded that he wanted to ride the horse alone. At last Moritz allowed him, and Aaron began to ride on the horseback. After that, one place when the horse was crossing a ditch, Aaron fell down and the horse was lost. After half an hour continuous search, they found out the horse, and anyhow the horse was again hidden in the same vineyard. Although the family of this tribe was known as Carabellian family, this was poverty-stricken family, but the people or the member of this Carabellian family were considered as very just and honest. Next is about white horse. This white horse was the main feature of the lesson, through which the whole story is revolving around. Aaron could not resist the offer of his cousin for horse riding. This family was known to be having a crazy streak, and Moran and his uncle Khosrow are known to be the most craziest person of their time. Again and again the horse, till it was practiced for horse riding by both the boys, it was hidden in the same deserted vineyard. John Barrow, when his horse was stolen, he became very sad. And one day, both Aaron and Moran, when he met the boys with the horse, he recognized that the horse belonged to him, but he said, "You are very just honest boys, related to a very honest and justful family, so I cannot blame you for stealing the horse. This may be not mine." After that, these boys were conscience stricken and they decided to return the horse. This horse belonged to John Barrow, and again one day came, because John Barrow was very suffering. He had to cover 10 miles distance on foot because he was not having a horse then to come to that village. After that, the boys decided to return the horse, and they just went in the night time, and again the horse was found in the same place. And this made John Barrow very happy because his horse was returned. One thing that strikes us most, whether we can call this stealing of the horse to be a stealing or not. Aaron thinks that this stealing cannot be called a stealing because horse was stolen only for fulfilling their desires of horse riding and not for selling. So it is not to be called as stealing. So these are the main points to which the whole story of the lesson is revolving around. Thank you. Jai Guru.